Click on the link below to get price. The 2026 eAhora Romeo Pro 3.2 electric bike delivers an impressive balance of power, performance, and practicality, making it a standout choice for adults seeking an exhilarating riding experience. With motor options ranging from 2500W to a staggering 5600W, this bike is engineered for speed, reaching up to 46 miles per hour. The 3 power settings allow riders to tailor their experience, whether you're cruising through city streets or tackling steep hills. One of the most commendable features of the Romeo Pro is its robust build quality. The frame is constructed from high-grade aluminum, achieving a lightweight yet durable design that enhances maneuverability without compromising strength. This aspect is particularly beneficial for riders who plan to use the bike for daily commuting or off-road adventures. The suspension system is equally impressive, absorbing shocks adeptly, providing a smooth ride over rough terrain. The bike's 20Ah lithium-ion battery ensures an impressive range, making long-distance rides feasible without the constant worry of running out of juice. Charging is convenient, typically taking around 6 to 8 hours to reach full capacity, and the removable design allows users to charge the battery separately if needed. In terms of comfort, the eAhora Romeo Pro excels with its ergonomic saddle and adjustable handlebars, allowing for a customized fit. The inclusion of bright LED lights increases visibility, enhancing safety during nighttime rides. The LCD display is intuitive, providing real-time feedback on speed, battery level, and trip distance, which adds a level of convenience for the tech-savvy rider. In conclusion, the 2026 eAhora Romeo Pro 3.2 electric bike stands out as a powerful, reliable, and versatile option for adults. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie or simply seeking a fun way to commute, this e-bike is poised to deliver an exhilarating ride, combining speed, comfort, and style all in one package. It's a worthy investment for anyone looking to elevate their cycling experience.